All right, here we go. Let's get started. 22 Hit Parade Limited Baseball Series 1 case break. Case 7 of 10. All right, Sled. Cool. Right after this break, I'll go up with service, and I'll probably be able to get right to it. Really quick, before we open this up, there's the names for this. Just call you Z, sounds good. New order, all right. $15, $6, $27, $39, $47, First up from Topps Chrome Black, DJ LeMahieu to 150. LeMahieu. Oh my goodness. Tampa. It's going to be a Wander Franco 2020 Bowman Chrome. Franco Scouts Top 100 autograph. Mint 9. Whoever wins this card will also get this little piece of paper as well. Franco Auto. I think that was to 50. Franco to 50. Excuse me. Dang it. Ten of 10. It's Bregman. 21 Definitive Collection Bregman. Gorgeous. Gold frame. $65. Legends of the Summer. Lou Brock. Donruss Signature Series 2003. Cardinals, Lou Brock. From Archives, that's going to be Tim Anderson. Oh, Bowman Chrome, Tim Anderson. Yep. What else? What else? What else? 47. Halfway through. To 499, Nick Gonzalez, Chrome. Gonzalez to 499. Is that another Chrome? Yes, it is. Matt Chapman, first Bowman. Finally left the A's organization, and now hoping to make it big in the playoffs with the Braves. Chapman, first Bowman. Oh, he's with the Blue Jays. I mixed them up. I forgot. Well, they had the whole fire sale. Everyone went everywhere. Fire sale. I should know better.
I have no idea what I'm talking about. But you should.
27.
I don't have to.
Wow. Cal Ripken Jr. Lone Star Signatures. Stadium Club 2021. Cal Ripken Jr. to 25. One of my favorite young prospects in Miami. No longer a rookie, actually. That's going to be Jazz Chisholm. Great piece there. Number to 199, Jazz Chisholm. Oh, black on black auto. Black outline, black jersey. Gorgeous. Chisholm to 199, rookie auto. Jazz. I'm just going to put it as Jazz. To 199. Sweet. And is that tributes? Dustin Pedroia, patch auto to 50. 2017 Tribute Baseball. And you got a sticker on it as well. You can see exactly which game that is from. That is from Pedroia on card auto. Seven. Nope, we need at least 3 times. At least 3 times. Snake Eyes doesn't do it for us. That's going to be 9. How about it? Come on, work with me here. There you are. Pedroia. Going off to Timothy F. Number to 50. Justin Pedroia. Tributes. Gary T. You're going to get that Lou Brock. Michelle K. with that Jazz Chisholm to 199. Face of the franchise down in South Beach. Kyle W. DJ LeMahieu to 150. Stuart Y. You got that Gonzalez Bowman Chrome Refractor to 499. Gary T. That Wander Franco graded auto. Absolutely killer piece there. Donnie R. with that Cal Ripken Jr. auto to 25. John B. Tim Anderson to 99. Charles R. That Bregman to just 10 from Definitive Series. And Timothy F. going to round us off with that first Bowman Matt Chapman signature. There you have it. 10 up, 10 down, just like that.